Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Keneya, and today I'm giving you guys a Black business haul. I'm just really excited for all these items. I can't wait to use and wear everything, and I just really hope you guys like them. So let me know about your Black business down below, and let me know if you like this kind of video because I can make it into a series.
Tell me, where does this roller coaster reach a sea and stop the coasting? Used to be fly with no destination.
Alright, let's get into it. Today I'll be doing a Black business haul, and my first package I'll be opening is from Flare Beauty. So we have custom logo tape on the packaging. So cute. Here's a flyer slash thank you card. Just if you shop, make sure you take a picture and tag the company on Instagram, Flare Beauty, and Facebook at Flare Beauty. And then I'm not going to show you guys the thank you card side because it has a coupon code. Here we have custom tissue paper, so cute. As well as a logo sticker. Branding is on point. Inside, I have a candy cane. You know, USPS is a little bit late. This is supposed to be more of a Christmas thing. That's fine. And inside, my items are bubble wrapped and packaged. It's pink bubble wrap. It matches her brand and I love that. This is the Mimosa Body Butter. So as you can see, it's a pink body butter. Super soft and fluffy. It's a very nice tropical scent and it's not too oily on the skin. In this bag, we have a business card. Has the CEO, my boss babe's friend, and then this is the other side. We have a Christmas gloss. And I think that this applies clear. Let's see. I also have a Tequila Sunrise lip scrub. And I have a roller oil with gold flakes in it. I believe this is a lip oil, but I will tag it below in the comment section. It's a very light oil. And it feels very moisturizing. Thank you, Shalon. I love everything and I look forward to using my body butter the most. It smells amazing. The second package I'll be opening today is from the Soldier Shop. The first thing I see is a thank you card. Inside is a handwritten note. Thank you so much for supporting me on my small business. Business card. And then on the back it says CEO Maddie B and has a coupon code. And she can share it with you in the comments if she wants. But I don't want to just be giving you all the coupons. It's not a coupon video, sorry. Yes. Period. Like, y'all. I'm in love with this hoodie. Or I'm in love with this sweatshirt. I'm gonna have to go back and get me a hoodie because it's so soft on the inside, like fleece or whatever. It feels like a warm blanket, and yeah, I feel like I'm flexing a ring or a watch. It's just period. Okay, because we hustlers out here, CEOs. I really do love it. So thank you, Maddie. And of course, I'm gonna tag her business and her website down below. Go shop. Seriously, like, go shop. Yeah, and I have a candle addiction because I got two from Rhythmic Wicks Candle Co. As you can tell, okay, every candle is based off of a song. So this is Shea Butter Baby, gives Shea Butter Baby vibes. And this is a good home scent. And I love linen. So this is after you clean. So you do your Sunday cleaning, burn this. Video today, but I bought these a while ago. They're very cute. These are Astro Sun earrings, I believe, or just sun earrings. And they're from Trinity's Wire Creations. And they use the hashtag TrensWire on Instagram to show how you style your wire creation. That's her Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and website. So I'll include that down below. You guys probably won't be able to get these in particular, but she has plenty of great things to shop, and I'm going to try them all for y'all. I don't have a mirror. I'm looking at my reflection. So y'all let me know how y'all like them on me in the comment section, okay? Okay. All right, so the next business we're getting into is Lux22 Cove on Instagram and Etsy. She does resin crafts and more. Okay, don't sleep. Y'all said, sorry, y'all got everything together. But of course, we have my initial. Okay, and just hold on. Get into the detail. Get into it. Don't play with her. Okay? It's the greenery, the rose gold, the pearls. It's giving Lutz. This is my keychain. It's not safe to show people your keys, and I don't have my ID, my school ID yet. But okay, cute K. And then this is my button, elevator buttons. And you got a door thing. We have a custom poly mailer. Okay. Experience the collection, SBL Collections on Facebook, Instagram, and the website. Don't mind USPS beating up packages. And this is my second package from her. I've been sitting on this package. I've been sitting on all these packages for a second, y'all. Because like I said, USPS be playing. She is so... It's giving. Some logo tape. I can smell it already. Y'all, it's a card with my name and it matches my sweatshirt. So here's a happy holidays card. And it has a note. It's a super cute card with a scratch off coupon code. And then the candle care card. And this one tells you what the colors mean. So let's keep that in mind. Can y'all see? That's so cute. And I love how it's like neutrals with a hint of pink. Everybody had good packaging today. I mean, I haven't had any experience with bad packaging though. Okay, so this is a linen spray. I was looking at the seal. So a seal, so you know it hasn't been used, it's a new product. And this is Beauty Rest, which is lavender and vanilla. So you spray this, you can spray it on your linens, you can spray it in your room. And I need my Beauty Rest, okay? I got the matching candle. Has your warning label. And I love these tins. This is very different from my other candles. So it stands out. Purple, which means wisdom and tranquility. I love it. Because I'm smart. Okay, black owned businesses, y'all. And it has some cute little sparkle. It's so cute. I don't even want to burn it. I do because it smells good. But... So what I went ahead and did was I got the K3 bundle. So it's like a sample set. And it's the candles that her and her sisters, their favorites. I believe that's the meaning behind the K3 bundle. And it had tape on it too to tell you exactly what it is. So that's nice. So we have Fresh, which is clean cotton. Yes, I got it again. We got Esbel, which is mango and coconut milk. As well as the Boss candle, which is sparkling grapefruit. That smells so good. So this one is white, which means purity, peace, truth, and hope. And it has some rose gold glitter. I think that's rose gold or orange. That one smells really good, really fresh. This is Esbel. This one is pink, which means harmony and self-love. And we have some more holographic glitter in here. That's the mango and coconut milk. That smells real good. It smells edible. And this one is Fresh, which is white again. Blue glitter. Or, yeah, it's blue. Smells really good. And then I got these wax melts as a free gift. I told you I had 2 packages. So this is Excuse Me Sir. Let me, hold on y'all. This smells really good. It smells like a cologne kind of. Yeah, I would definitely use both of these. They smell really good. And I want to say comfy is warm vanilla sugar. Let's test my theory. And I'm going to do my scratch off because, sis, I probably need that coupon. I'm about to go back. And this one's a sunflower shape. It's really cute. And they have glitter on them. I can't wait to use them. And I have another room spray. This room spray was bought in a bundle, so it's smaller. I got it with the candle. This room spray I bought by itself. This is a 4 ounce, so it's twice as big. And this is Fresh. I'm talking about a business that you guys may have noticed already if you follow me on social media, or if you have been watching this entire video. And the last one, because honey hair scrunchies, period. I've been wearing my scrunchies since I got it. So it came in this gorgeous little organza bag with the hang tag on it. I ripped it off. And then this is the business card. It's so cute. And we have some aftercare. Branding is on point. Okay. So cute. And then here's the thank you card. I don't want to flip it because I don't know if it's a code, but it's so cute. So this is the one I got from my sister. So it's just a big black scrunchie. And then she gave me this cute small black one. The mini, I think. And then a pink one. Like, just look at it. I feel luxurious. Okay? So cute. I love yellow. Look at the photography. Okay? Get into it. In my package, as you can see, I'm wearing my pink one, and then this is my mini black one, and the extra large black I gave to my little sister. Make sure you guys click the link below. I love her scrunchies, and she has a new headband coming out. Alright, this is a thank you card. This is by Michaela Walker. And her website is michaelawalker.com. It'll be below. Her Instagram is by Michaela Walker. And it says handmade to order with love. I also got the sticker with my package. She hands draw these, so that's what's so cool and what stood out to me about her brand. So this one I got my little sis. It's a hoodie. It's a hoodie with her hand-drawn butterflies on it. This is for the little sis. Alright, and this is mine. I've really been liking khaki lately. Make sure y'all can see this detail. So this is mine. It matches the sticker that I got. And I've been liking khaki and neutrals a lot for a while now. So that's why I got this one, and the butterfly is just a cute accent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, shop the black businesses below. And I'll have my social media for you guys to follow me as well. Thank you.